Today's challenge is the lily pad jumping challenge. In your home, you need to create your own river and lily pads. You can use cushions, towels, or mats to make your lily pads. Set them up in a safe space, do a little warm up, and then get ready to take on the challenges. Once your river and lily pads are set up, challenge 1 is the leapfrog. You are only allowed to place 1 foot on each lily pad, and you must carefully step across each lily pad to get to safety on the other side. Be very careful, don't fall in the water. If you are confident, you can add a little jump to create a leap as you move from each lily pad. The 1 minute timer is nearly up and Miss Lee scores 9 points on the leapfrog challenge. Challenge 2 is the frog jump. This time you jump with 2 feet from each lily pad. Make sure you bend your knees to land safely and use your arms to help you swing. Stay in control, don't fall into the river. Get ready to see if you can beat Miss Lee on the frog jump challenge. Go! On the frog jump, Miss Lee scores 5. Challenge number 3, carefully does it. Again, you are only allowed 1 foot on each lily pad, but this time you have to move backwards. Go carefully, do not fall into that river. Hopefully you can beat Miss Lee's balancing skills with this one. She was very wobbly on the lily pads. She manages to score 4.5. Challenge 4 is crisscross. You are going to separate your lily pads and again, using only 1 foot, step onto each lily pad in a leaping action. Make sure you control yourself as you land on each lily pad. To make it harder, move your lily pads further away. To make it easier, move your lily pads closer together. This was really tricky. Miss Lee scores 5. Your final challenge is the double frog. Again, using 2 feet, you are going to do a frog jump across your lily pads, but in a crisscross motion. Make sure you bend your knees again to land safely and no falling into that river. Let's see if you can beat Miss Lee's score again. This one's really tricky. Have fun! Miss Lee scores 4. And we'll finish off with a really fun game. Can you get somebody at home to make you a really fun route to go on your lily pads? Don't let them show you the route and see if you can guess. If you hit a lily pad that isn't on the route, you will sink and cause a big splash. You must go back to the beginning to start again. This is a fantastic game for trying to guess the route and solve problems. You could be a problem-solving parrot to try and complete it. I hope you've had a really fun lesson, boys and girls. Have a look at the teacher badges to see which ones you've earned today. I hope your balancing and jumping skills were a little bit better than Miss Lee. Don't forget to send in your scores.